Hello, my dear children. I hope you are doing your work in proper time with neat and clean way. In previous video, we have discussed the 3 steps of subtraction without regrouping. In this video, we will do subtraction with regrouping. Before that, we will discuss the subtraction rules. 8 is on the top and 5 is below of it. Now we can write 5 as 05 also. We write place value table on the number. Start subtraction from the right side. That is, we are having more on top. No need to stop, because from 8 sticks we can easily remove 5 sticks and 3 will be left. So we write 3 at the ones place. At the tens place there is 5 at the top and nothing means 0 is at below. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, because we are not subtracting anything from the 5. But if we are having 52 minus 36, then we see that here is 2 is at the top and 6 is at the floor. So now what we will do? Because we cannot give 6 from 2. Now we borrow 1 from the next friend, that is tens. Then 2 will become 12, because we keep the 1 at tens place of 2. That will become 12. And our friend at tens place was having 5 sticks. Now he is having 4 sticks. Now 6 sticks from the 12 sticks. We count it on fingers from next to 6. That is 7 to 12. The count the numbers: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That are 6 fingers. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now moving to the left side at tens place, we are having 4 minus 3. So very simple, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. It means 52 minus 36 is equal to 16. Next, we will take example of 3-digit numbers. 423 is on the top as minuend and 178 is on the floor as subtrahend. Write place value table on the above side of minuend. Now start from the ones place. So now see, we cannot subtract at ones place because 3 minus 8 is not possible. So what we will do? We borrow 1 from the left side friend, that is 2 tens, and keep it with 3. It become 13, and at tens place 1 will be remain, because from 2 1 is given to the ones place. Again, so here we can subtract 8, count it on the fingers. So start from the 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers are there? 5. So we write 5 at the ones place. From 1 we cannot give 7. So again we borrow 1 from the left 100 friend, because he is having 4 sticks. So from 4 sticks he give 1 stick and we place it with 1 at the tens place. That will become 11. Now next to 7 means from 8 we count on fingers till 11. That are 8, 9, 10, 11 is equal to 4 numbers we write at tens place. Now move left to the 100 place. From 3 we can easily subtract 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, means when we subtract 423 minus 178, the difference is 245. One more example we are having. Here we are having 675 on the top and 249 on the floor or below. Because 675 is larger than 249. So we place 675 is on the top. We write place value table on the above side of the number and start subtracting from the ones place. But what we see here, that we cannot give 5 from 9. So now what we will do? Yes, we borrow 1 from the tens friend and become 15, and tens will become 6. Now after 9, start from 10, count the numbers till 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 6 fingers are here. So we write 6 on the ones place. Now at tens place, we can easily subtract 6 minus 4. That is 2. At tens place, we write it. Then move to the 100 place. Here also we can easily subtract 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and write it on the 100 place. So we can say that the difference of 675 minus 249 is 426. Now next example, we take 4-digit number. We take 4865 is as minuend and it is greater than 3956. So 3956 write at below as subtrahend. Write place value on the above side of the number. Start subtracting from the ones place. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from the left side, tens friend, and become 15 at ones place and remain 5 at tens place. Now count on fingers from 7 to 15. That are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That are 9 fingers. So we write 9 on ones place. Then move to the tens place. 5 minus 5 is possible? Yes, it is possible, because in subtraction properties we learn that when we subtract same digits we get 0. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. We write it on tens place. Now move to the 100 place. Again we cannot subtract 8 from 9. So we again borrow 1 from the left side friend, that is 1000, and 8 will become 18 and 4 will remain 3. Now 18 minus 9 is possible. So after 9, count from 10 to 18 on your fingers. How many fingers are there? Count it on your fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, 9 fingers are there and we write 9 in 100 column. Now move to the left side at 1000 place. 3 minus 3 again possible and difference is 0. So we can say that the difference of 4865 minus 3956 is 909, because we have already discussed in previous video that 0 at left side is meaningless, but 0 at right side is very powerful. Now we take one more example with some more larger numbers till lakh. First step, as we write the place value table on the above side of the number, here are ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Start subtraction from ones place, that is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Moving to the left side at tens place, 6 minus 8, it's not possible. So we borrow 1 from the left side, 100 friend. Now at tens place we are having 16 and at 100 place we are having 4. Because 1 is given to tens na. So now at tens place 16 minus 8. We count on our finger next to it from 9 to 16. That are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That are 8 fingers we are having. So 8 will be written on the tens place. Now moving to the 100 place, 4 minus 4, again we write 0. Moving to the 1000 place, 6 minus 6, again 0. Moving to the 10,000 place. Once again, 4 minus 5 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from the lakh friend. And at 10,000 place, we are having 14. And at lakh place, 9 will become 8. So 14 minus 5 is, count on your fingers. Yes, it's 9. Now at lakh place, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So we can say that 9,46,564 minus 7,56,484 equal to 1,90,080.
This is the entire concept of subtraction with regrouping. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Do a lot of practice with full of enthusiasm. Thank you. Have a nice day.